Hey, how are ya? We're back with something that will hopefully complement the model trains. So last time I did one of these videos, it was the Jeep by Tamiya, which was a really nice model. So after finding that one, in my search for 50s, 60s era American vehicles, I came across this one, a military truck. Now the person selling it described it as a toy, but it's die-cast, so it does actually make quite a nice model. Looking over it, it seems to be made in China, and it says military force pullback military truck. So it's got like a pullback motion with it. It's described as being 1/20th scale, so we'll have a look at that. And looking around the box, it does have the markings for M35 A2, which is a type of military truck. Looking up about that, they do appear to be 3-axle, whereas this is only 2-axle. So I don't think this is going to be exactly in scale, more of an approximation. But yeah, let's have a look around the box. It seems to be made by a company called Pinzang Dongman, with a logo which looks like a thumbs up with a heart on it, so it's like to say, this is going to be good and you'll love it. And it's got some features listed on it. Well, the first one is music, light, simulation scale, die-cast metal, metals in capitals, pullback, and open the car door. That's some good features. It does say it needs batteries, which I have purchased ready. Purchase. There we go. So let's take a look. The person I bought it off has packed it nicely. There we are. Okay, so it feels like part of it is metal, the cab. The back part feels like plastic. So it's only part die-cast, but that's cool. Did notice on the bottom of the box, it's actually got 2 types of truck and 3 different colours of each. So it's like a tan, a green and a bluey colour. So obviously it's kind of greyish blue. Well, it looks alright. Let's go through the features. Music. I have to put batteries in for that. Where do they go? Oh, looks like it's got batteries in there already. Nice. So I don't see any controls for playing music or the lights. It's making some sort of sound, I don't know what that's meant to be. I don't know what that was. Oop. Well, the tailgate opened when I tried to stop it. Okay, so when you pull it back, the lights flash and it plays a cycle of sound effects. That's ridiculous. And open the car door. Okay, that's quite stiff. Shut up! Stop it! Shush! Right, well there it is. Let's see if it's to scale. Do you know what? It looks pretty small. Compared with the Jeep, which I know is 20th scale, we measured it. This truck looks pretty small. I did find out an M35 is just under 7 meters, which works out in 1/20th scale to be 35 centimeters, which is like about there. This one having only 2 axles, not 3, that's a big chunk taken away. It's only going to be that much shorter. So that would be the 6 wheel, 3 axles, but yeah, it's... I don't think that's 20th scale. Not at all. So I might have to do some forced perspective. So, I don't know. 20th scale. Tell me when it looks right. Well, there we go. Something to play with. So, for more fun, more interesting videos and stuff that's actual useful content, have a look at my channel and see what other videos are there. And also, please subscribe to the channel. Every subscriber helps, and there's so much more to come in the future. So you'll be there to see it if you're subscribed. So yeah, I'm going to play with this, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!